Hi everybody and welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to be taking you through a triangular graduation today. This is really a preview of our full-length tutorial on BB Education Online.
So we're going to cut to the second knuckle, as once we go past the second knuckle, our tension changes within our fingers.
So here you can see our vertical triangular shape, giving us our guide for where the weight will sit and how much weight will be positioned.
But you must always start from the centre.
Starting from the centre simply ensures you're using the same guide for each section. Despite the fact each section is slightly different, we're still taking the same central pivoting section as our guide.
With the length that you choose at the hairline, be sure to leave enough that the hair can still bend, otherwise you'll have difficulties as the hair may push out.
Just keep going ahead and pulling those sections straight back to the wall behind you. So you're creating your shape side to side. It's a nice flat square line. One of the main reasons we pivot our sections is simply to transition the direction the weight is travelling in. Initially the weight was travelling vertically and was sitting at the top. As we pivot, the weight begins to travel in the direction of our diagonal. In this instance, it's travelling forward.
Once we're finished, we'll need to cross-check. Now to cross-check, we're going to take a vertical section. We're going to pull the section back to where we were cutting.
Once we've got our balance, we go ahead and start the next side, pivoting from the centre, similar to like how a clock face would be, working from the centre, but ticking and ticking and ticking and pivoting like orange segments. We need to also check our balance. I take two strands of hair on the same position on the opposite side of the head and I pull them slowly but at the same speed to check our balance. Now we have both sides done, we can start the top section.
Take a small amount of the previous section and bring down your new section to meet this.
The way you can really see if the hair is too long is you will see a step or a heavy weight line form. You can simply re-elevate your section, take away a small amount of hair to resolve this. So as we take our next section, I always start in the middle. This just helps me to maintain the same guide underneath and the same starting point, as the middle has the higher elevation. We work through into the sides, pulling the sections flat. It's important to not over-direct this. If you over-direct this forward, as we've said before, it will go too short. So really maintain that body position and really be consistent with your use of mechanics.
Avoid the temptation to lower your elevation. Keep your elevation the same as the back. Remember, we are forming our graduation at the moment, not the length. So we decided to work off centre parting today, but you of course could work off the side. We section in a very similar way to what we've done before. We're essentially following the shape below. So we take very small sections, keeping our sections fine helps us manage any unwanted over direction. One of the best places to really start with deciding your elevation is to get your two sections together, your previous and your new, and simply pull it directly off the base. So this is parallel from its base. Now this means if we cut this section to here, it means it's going to be longer here than there, thereby building weight vertically. The lower we go increases how much length, or the disparity if you will, between them. So the lower you go, the heavier the line is going to form. So I would always say, don't be afraid if you are lifting high, just use the mirror, look ahead and see where you are. Where is that position of your baseline?
So you see all our sections are working towards the middle parting. So each time we take a section, the hair that's left is getting smaller and smaller. Okay, so that completes our tutorial today. Again, to see the full version of this, you need to subscribe to bbeducationuk.co.uk. And if you did like this video, please like and comment, and please subscribe to keep all up to date with all our content on all our videos and all our tutorials. Thank you so much, guys.